In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean the glass on your car in direct sunlight using just 2 of these and 1 of these. And I'm so confident about this method of cleaning your glass. I can assure you by the time this video is finished, you are going to rechange the whole way that you think about cleaning your glass forever. So we've got direct sunlight here. As you can see, we are going to be taking no prisoners on this one. If we get it wrong, it's going to look horrendous, but I want to prove my point once and for all that this method is one of the best out there and nobody does it. The tools you'll need for this method are 1 microfiber cloth, 1 microfiber towel and a steam cleaner, and the one I'm using today is the Karcher SC3. And this one's kindly been donated for this demonstration by cleanstore.co.uk. Now there are many different types of steamers out there, but this one is a good all-rounder with prices hovering around the £150 mark, so it's definitely going to fit in within most budgets. So what you want to do at this point is be careful because you don't want to start burning your hands, so you've got to hold it pretty close, but try not to get that steam because when it splurts out it can catch you and it does really hurt. So I keep it there. And then I'm going to sort of move along and along and along, and then I'm going to go down like this in this motion. So we're going to start here. So basically, as long as we go in a left to right motion, so we're going to go like left all the way to here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to go down and again and again and again, so we're not cross-contaminating. Once I've wiped that dirty glass, I'm not going back on myself because that's going to cause the smears. So by doing it this way, it's going to be pretty crystal clear. Now for most people, this is going to be enough, but by the time this gets too damp, that's when you might also occur the odd little bit of smearing as well. So before it totally dries out, that's where the microfiber towel comes in. So we just quickly go over it, and at this point the glass is pretty dry anyway. It's just finishing up the loose little bits, and that is perfection. There's not even a mark on that at all. So we're now going to do it again on this little one. Give it a few squirts before you start holding it up to a glass in case it does sort of splurt out a load of steam in one hit, because that's not really what you're after here. So we're going to go again, but because it's at an angle it might be a little bit trickier. Then we're going to follow it up with the dry towel, like so. And there you go. That is amazing. So we're not going to stop there, we're going to go and do the inside as well. Let's do this. And then fold over the towel again. Look at that. You can put that in the direct sunlight all day long. You are not going to see any smears. That is incredible. And normally you would do the glass after you carried out a safe wash, but I wanted to show you the cleaning power alone on this dirty glass here. Right, direct sunlight. I can't see what I'm doing because the sun's so bright, but here we go. So what's going to happen is when you're doing this, the microfiber cloth is going to encapsulate a load of that heat So it's going to store it all the way as you drag it around. So it's going to still assist in cutting the grease. So go down there again. You've just got to be so careful not to burn your fingers, because that is one of the dangers of doing this. But it does look good, totally worth it. Look at that, that is perfect. I'm well happy with that. Look at that. I'm so confident that looks perfect. If anybody can see any smeary marks on that, I'll give them £1 million. Actually, make it 2 million. A few things to mention. You will see here it does get a little bit of moisture build up. Don't worry about that too much, because it will go within a couple of minutes. It's not going to be there forever. However, if you do this in the winter, you will have to get the windows down just a slight bit, because you want that air to circulate. You don't want this to build up, have moisture, and then you're going to get mold if you were to leave your car sitting in a garage over the winter. So make sure you bear these sort of things in mind. For the summer months though, this will be gone in literally a matter of minutes. A few things to mention when you're doing this. If it's your own vehicle, make sure that you clear the dashboard. For today's video, I really don't care because it's my van, but you want to be careful, because if you use hard water in this, what you're going to find is it is going to have the odd splatter here. Now, if you have got hard water, it will leave white nasty spots if you don't wipe it up straight away. So you need to be very careful when doing so. So make sure that you've got some old towels. If it's a nice car, by the way, if it's an old Minger like this, don't worry about it. But I'm saying if you've got your own car and you care about it, make sure that everything's covered up. And another thing that gets on my nerves, you see all these like good housekeeping websites and articles about, oh, Mrs. Jones, she's come up with a miracle way that you can clean your glass. Yes, you can use vinegar, but that's all well and good if you want your car to smell like tramp's piss. But if you want to do it properly, do it with a steam cleaner, because it's going to be cleaner, it's fresher, and there's going to be no nasty smells attached to it. And there is one more other way of cleaning glass, which I haven't mentioned, but I will save it for this video right here. So make sure that you go and watch it right now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.